Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the EURUSD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. So we are not having any high impact news in Euro or USD today. So most likely I'll be anticipating the market to be less volatile. So let's move to the charts now. So this is the monthly chart of Euro USD. The price was having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and broke this high. This gave us a strong low. The price reacted from this strong low but couldn't break this high. Rather, it broke the strong low. This gave us a bearish bias into the monthly time frame. So after breaking the strong low, the price retraced back to this area over here where the candle had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this a strong zone of reaction. The price reacted from this strong zone and moved into the downward side, but couldn't break below all these equal lows. Rather, it swept it. So currently, the price retraced back from this area over here, mitigating something at this wick and moved into the downward direction. But we have not yet mitigated this order block. So I'm anticipating the price to move into the downward direction and mitigate this order block right here. So now let's move to the weeklies. So this is the weekly chart, and the price reacted from this unmitigated candle over here, which was responsible for the bearish move into the market. And currently we are moving into the downward direction. So what can we see? This line represents the unmitigated wick of the monthly time frame. So I'm anticipating the price to move into the downward direction and mitigate this line. So currently we are at this zone where the candle had taken the high of the previous weekly candle and moving into the downward direction. So there is nothing more to say into this chart yet. So let's move to the dailies now. So this is the daily chart, and we are having this unmitigated wick from where the price is reacting, sweeping the highs right here. So I'm anticipating the price to move into the downward direction and mitigate something over here and then move into the upside direction or break this low. So the price action is still not clear, so let's move to the 4 hours. So this is the 4-hour chart, and we can see that the price had reacted from this flip zone right here and moving into the downward direction following the order flow. So currently, what do we have? We are having the strong low right here, or I'll be moving it to this area. So if we are not going to react from this strong low right at this zone, most likely we are going to go below. So for a detailed picture, let's move to the 1 hours. So this is the 1 hour chart, and we are having this unmitigated candle right here. So most likely the price is going to react from this unmitigated candle and move into the upside direction. So for a precise picture, let's move to the 15 minutes now. So this is the 15-minute chart, and we can see that everything right here is balanced by the price, and this is the only unmitigated zone by the market. So if we are going to react from this area but couldn't break this high, most likely we are going to get a flip and move into the downward direction. But if we are going to react from this flip area right here and break this high, most likely this would be the strong low for the upcoming move. So for now, what is the plan I have for today's trade is I'll be waiting for the price to mitigate this zone right here and see if we are going to move into the upside direction or we are going to break below this zone. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.